Hi. I get some good ideas from other cruisers, especially from Facebook groups, the Facebook group by Andy and Tim, the MSC Cruises for UK and Republic of Ireland, and this is one that I read on there. Can't remember who posted it, but whoever you are, thank you. But I thought, oh, I'll try that. So stick with me and I'll share with you a tip that I got. Hi, I'm Jan Oakbridge. I'm the Cruise Queen. Have you ever had luggage labels fall off your luggage? I know I have, and it's such a nuisance when you're at the cabin and your luggage hasn't arrived because somehow or another the luggage label has fallen off and it hasn't got to you, and you've had to go down and identify it after waiting and waiting for a case to arrive that didn't arrive. So the tip that I saw was these luggage labels, and they're really good. I got them off Amazon, and they're, I think, a pack of 8, I believe. They're large ones, and they're just called cruise luggage labels, and you can put your luggage label inside like that. They seal like a Ziploc type bag, so keep them dry, which is great, but they've also got this metal ring on, and the way that you do it is you get these little metal tie things that have a screw at the end, so you get your blank label case like this. You slip it through, put it onto your luggage handle or wherever it is you want, and then you just screw it on, and it's really good. I think that's absolutely brilliant, because if you're flying as well, you could actually have your name label, you know, your name and address label. I don't know about you, but we always put our name and our postcode and the stuff on a label so that we can definitely identify our bags, even if the airline thing comes off. You can slip that in there as well over the top of your cruise ticket. Then when you get to the other end, you can remove it and put it inside, so your cruise ticket's on the top. So I think a brilliant tip for travelling. I'm never going to travel without them. I thought it was a brilliant idea. I will post the link to the Amazon site so you can access it for yourself, but it's worth the few quid it costs you. I can't remember what it actually was. It probably £7, something, £7.99 or something like that. But they're very safe, and I think they'll last forever. So brilliant idea. Thanks for watching. If this has been useful in any way, click the subscribe button, the like button, and share this with your friends. Share it throughout everywhere so that we get more and more subscribers, so we can make this an even more informative and interesting channel. I'm Jan Oakbridge. I'm the Cruise Queen. Have an awesome day.